How to manage open positions in OANDA? First of all, open your browser and log into your OANDA trading account. Once you have entered a trade, look at the bottom of the dashboard. You will see the Positions tab. This is where all your active trades are displayed, including important details such as the instrument, size, entry price, current profit or loss, and margin impact. From this section, you can monitor your trades in real time as the market moves. OANDA's platform makes it easy to track performance at a glance, so you always know how your trades are doing without navigating away from the dashboard. However, there is no direct option to edit your open positions once they are active. Features like stop loss or take profit must be set at the time you place the order. When it comes to managing open positions, you mainly have the option to close them. You can fully close a position with just one click. In some cases, you may also partially close a trade by selecting the amount you want to exit, giving you more flexibility in managing your risks. By keeping an eye on your open positions, you can control your risks, lock in profits, or cut losses quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more OANDA trading guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.